It's morning already. 5 more minutes, please. Mom said if you don't wake up now, she will come. What? No, I'm awake. Really? You still look like a sleepy cat. I am a sleepy cat.
Zara, wake up! I'm hungry! Tom, off my bed. Mama said breakfast soon. Come on. Fine, I'm up. Happy now?
Brush, brush, brush. I'm still sleepy. Hurry up, it's my turn. 2 minutes.
I touched the cat's food. I need to wash my hands.
Oh no! Tom, wait! Okay, come in first.
Wait! Fast!
Hey, not so much.
It's fun!
Okay, but be careful. Tom, look at the floor. It's all wet.
It's clean now.
Zara, Alex, Tom, breakfast now. Smells so good. What's for breakfast? Eggs, toast, and milk. Eat quickly. I want cookies. Cookies are not breakfast, sweetheart.
Good morning, little tornadoes.
We're not tornadoes, Dad. We're energy.
My spoon fell. It's running away.
Oh, Tom, sit properly, please. Where's my sock? Left foot, yes. Right foot, no. Looking for this? You took it again!
Maybe.
What's going on there? Feels like a zoo. Sorry, Mom. Sock problem solved. Books, check. Notebook, check. Pencil case. Where's my pencil case?
Here, look. I drew superhero Zara.
Aw, that's so cute. Thanks, Tom. Zara! The bus comes in 5 minutes. What, already?
Don't forget your lunch this time, Zara.
Don't eat like soldiers. No time, Mom.
Relax. The bus driver can wait one more minute.
Can I have your toast, Zara?
Nope. This is my breakfast armor. That's your bus. Shoes, bag, water bottle. Go, go, go.
Wait, my hair! I need 1 more minute.
Coming. Oh.
Wait, my
Every morning is crazy, but it's my family. And I love it. So, that was my morning. What about yours? Tell me in the comments. What does your morning look like? And if you enjoyed this story, please give it a like. And subscribe so you never miss our next morning together.